Hey guys, Kane here with Fisher Rats. Welcome back to part 2 of our Texas Tea Party camping with William B. Travis. Let's get to it. We're about to do a head review at Fort Anahuac. I don't know which way either.
You can go see.
I will go see. Because I got to keep.
You want to check that side first?
Huh?
You want to check that side first? That is a water park.
Is it?
Yes, because there wouldn't be a shower thing. There wouldn't be shower things there.
That's a guy's side. So this is the girl's side.
I want to do it.
Well, no.
But you have to pee.
I know. Oh my.
Beautiful.
Oh.
There is a shower.
Is there a shower?
Yes.
Oh my.
I don't want to get
Hey, but it's a shower. I mean, it's better than. I gotta go to the bathroom, so after these messages. And we're back. So now we don't have a door. We had some issues.
Show them the shower.
The shower. But let's look at the shower again.
For such a nice park, this is such a crappy bathroom.
It's really not a bad bathroom. You should see the one at Cedar Hill Park. I'm just saying.
I did see that one.
That one, yeah, that had like half a flush. I would give this one like 2 flushes. Two
You know what? I give it
5
2 stars.
flushes. 2 out of 5 flushes.
It's a 2-star for me.
2 out of 5.
Judge the
2
park.
star? Huh?
I want to go judge the park.
No.
You don't
Dude,
just put a random alligator or turtle on the park.
look at the. Oh, is there there's a giant alligator at the park?
Yes, and 2 giant turtles.
Okay, we'll go check that out. We're not in Mineral Wells. We raised some money, but we haven't made it there, okay? So, but we did raise, I don't know how much we made on the tires. Daddy hasn't told us yet. I did make some money for selling some stuff, so we're gonna put that towards the fund. If we don't get to Mineral Wells, the money that we raise for the Mineral Wells Fund will go for an adventure along the way. Because you know what? We are a family that does a lot of adventure.
I wonder what haunted houses are around.
You wonder what haunted houses are around here. Well, we can find out.
Oh, man, I wish I had a radar arch. You're so fucking lucky.
What are you eating?
Something Woody Harrelson, no, Tallahassee, something Tallahassee hates.
Nobody cares about no motherfucking snowballs.
Zombieland!
Your mama likes chocolate.
Are you sure?
Some cold fucking nasty cheese.
Looks good. Is that good?
Mm.
I'm gonna say it's good. Does he do that because there's a lot?
I'm gonna look like SV Dalos for too much.
What exactly are you working on over there?
What does having legs have to do with making a child?
Because
It's all about that ankle.
his sexy ass dad ankles is what drew me to him.
I showed a whole lot of ankle.
He showed a whole lot of ankle, and that is how you
An
were
ankle
created.
fetish?
Mama
Yes.
showed some ankle, and I was
Just
like,
use the word fetish.
Do you have an ankle fetish? Have y'all never heard me use that one?
do you know what the word fetish even means?
Kind of.
Okay.
I know about foot fetishes. I don't really understand them, but
Yeah,
That's okay,
nobody
understands
does.
them.
Nobody does. A tattoo right there on the sexy dad ankle.
no, it's not. No,
It is.
it is not.
It is.
It's not.
A cold breeze feels so good going up my sexy dad leg.
Stop.
God, is that
You
cringe?
know what? It is.
Sexy dad legs are cringe? We have now broken the code, Johnny.
So we're gonna lay in here tonight and watch a movie? Is that what we're doing?
Yes. Yes, movie night at Fort Anahuac.
While camping with the movie night with the view.
Yes, movie night with a view. Put it up there.
Why do y'all
Very
do
nice.
this to me?
Because it's fun.
Yes, it is. I told you. Yes, I was wondering. Am I not allowed to wonder?
Am I not allowed to record?
No, not
Oh, well then you're not allowed to wonder.
well. No. I am always allowed to.
No.
You can't
No.
stop me from
Well,
wondering.
you can't stop me from recording, Karen.
You're not trying to stop a child from wondering.
No.
Yes. I say yes, you say no. Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Negative, Charlie.
So we're gonna pretend that's yes. So yes, you said yes. I win. Ha.
Squirrel.
You know how to do monkey bars.
I do know how to do monkey bars.
I know.
Look at the squirrel.
I see the squirrel.
A live one?
Yes, like the size. Oh, if there was like a bone through the nose. What movie is that from? That's 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. What? Oh god. No.
You're like 5 inches off the ground.
That's not fair. 3, 2, 1. Oh god. I will do this.
You will?
Huh?
You will?
Yes, I will.
You're cheating. You're going through like half of them. Peter?
I did. 3, 2, 1. No! What happened? What happened? I don't know how that one happened, but
We wanted to come check out the park, so that's what we're doing, checking out the park. But I'm gonna walk over here and look at this historical marker because I'm the mommy history rat and that's what I do. Juan Davis Bradburn, adventurer from Kentucky who first came to Texas in 1817 with an expedition seeking to expel Spain from North America. Bradburn served in the Army of the Republic of Mexico in the 1820s and in 1830 was sent to establish a military post at the mouth of the Trinity. He imposed on colonists by refusing to pay for supplies and labor used in building Fort Anahuac, and in 1831 arrested Mexican commissioner sent to issue land titles, thereby alarming settlers who feared to lose their homes and improvements. His troops were convicts whom he could not control, and after civilians began to curb soldiers' outrages, he arrested several men, including Patrick C. Jack and William B. Travis, who were held 50 days awaiting a military trial. Approached by William H. Jack and others, Bradburn agreed to release the civilians in return for soldiers held by the colonists. After he received his men, he refused to keep his promise. In fighting then ensued, several lives were lost. When fellow officers deposed him, Bradburn escaped from Anahuac on July 13, 1832, pursued so closely that at the Sabine he lost his horse and swam the river. In Texas, War of Independence, 1836, he returned in rear guard of Santa Anna's army, again to be a loser, 1973. So we're clear, I do not own the rights to any music that might be playing in the background of this video. Just throwing that out there. We got another historical marker. I'll take a picture. Alright, now, William Barrett Travis, August 9th, 1809 to March 6th, 1836. Co-commander with James Bowie. Siege of the Alamo. Born in South Carolina, moved with family in 1818 to Alabama, where at 19 he was admitted to the bar. Came to Texas 1831. In Anahuac, he joined William H. Jack and others resisting tyranny of customs collector Juan Davis Bradburn, and was jailed 50 days in the fort in 1832. In 1835, he led in capture and disarming of Mexican garrison reoccupying Fort Anahuac. As lieutenant of volunteers sent to Key City, San Antonio in war against Mexican dictator Santa Anna, he drew men and food into the Alamo on February 23, 1836, and defied with a cannon shot Santa Anna's call to surrender. On February 24th, civilian leader James Bowie fell ill, leaving 26-year-old Travis in charge. At Travis's call for aid, 32 men from Gonzales joined the Alamo forces, but Fannon's 500 failed to march in time from Goliad. With doom upon him, Travis drew line on floor to separate men wishing to leave from those staying. Only one left. The 182 remaining, including hero Davy Crockett, made Santa Anna's army of 2,500 pay dearly for triumph on March 6, 1836. Travis's last message, telling of his resolution to achieve victory or death in face of the foe's overwhelming number, has been called one of the world's noblest documents. 1971. Dude, stop. This place is pretty freaking cool. Pretty freaking cool. We got 2 more historical markers over here. Check this out. Hero of Colonel Struggle at Anahuac, Robert McAlpin Williamson, 1804 to 1859. Crippled by disease at 15, with a leg permanently bent at the knee, wore a peg leg which, like his 2 natural legs, was covered with his trousers, hence his nickname Three-Legged Willie. Settled in Texas in 1827 to practice law here at Fort Anahuac in 1832. He made a heroic stand against the Commandant Juan Davis Bradburn, who had jailed his client and friend Patrick C. Jack and William Barrett Travis, later Alamo commander. Bradburn and associates made a false agreement to exchange Jack and Travis for Mexican soldiers captured earlier by Williamson's men. Following a confrontation, Bradburn at last gave up the Texans, resigned his command, and left Fort Anahuac. But after his betrayal, Williamson took up cause of Texas independence, fighting with words and then with arms at Battle of San Jacinto. A district judge and a justice of the First Supreme Court of the Republic, 1836 to 39. He also served as a lawmaker, 5th through 9th Congresses, 1840 to 45. In a noted episode, a ruffians is said to have drawn a Bowie knife, saying, "This is the law," but Judge Williamson covered it with his pistol, declaring, "This is the Constitution which overrules the law." 1972. Fort Anahuac. Known as Perry's Point until 1825, Anahuac was a port of entry for early Texas colonists. In 1830, the Mexican government established a military post here to collect customs duties and to enforce the law of April 6, 1830, which curtailed further Anglo-American colonization. Situated on a high bluff at the mouth of the Trinity River, Fort Anahuac controlled access to East Texas settlements. 2 18-pound guns topped with 7-foot thick bricks of the Balleston. 4-foot thick walls protected the adjacent barracks and an underground tunnel led to a nearby powder magazine. Colonel Juan Davis Bradburn, commander of the Anahuac garrison, angered Texas colonists by conscripting labor and supplies to construct fort, and by failing to control his disorderly troops in 1832, he unjustly imprisoned William B. Travis, Patrick C. Jack, and other settlers here. When he refused to release the men, armed conflict erupted between Texas and Mexican forces. The confrontation here, which also sparked fighting at Velasco and adoption of the Turtle Bayou resolutions, resulted in Bradburn's dismissal and the removal of Mexican troops from the post. Today, the ruins of Fort Anahuac are a physical reminder of events that kindled the drive for Texas independence. 1976. Marked, sponsored by the National Guard Association of Texas and Chambers County Historical Commission. Email here.
Really good view though.
With strangers, Athena is still the cool kid. That's my kid. She's a cool kid. That is a badass view from right there in our tent. Oh, but there's all kinds of wildlife down here. This is freaking awesome. Free camping. Didn't even need a 24-hour permit. It's pretty freaking awesome. I mean, okay, it's a 2 flush on the head review, but I mean, otherwise, 5 stars all the way. I mean, look at this. Wow. Them van lifers got the idea. We're way up there. Woo!
History rats have been on YouTube for 3 whole years.
It wasn't really better, but I'll
I
say.
thought we were going on dock.
Actually, the dock over there. I don't know that I want to walk out on it.
We can go on that one. That one is 21.
It's wet.
Alright guys, coming back and talk to you.
Okay.
Take it off now.
Yeah.
It's your turn to come off.
Oh no, 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 no.
Yes.
Oh no, no, no.
It's actually really stable.
I understand that. It's not happening. Not in this lifetime. Yeah, probably not. You know why? Because I can't see what's in that water.
Well, you know what?
What's that swimming up behind you, Athena?
I don't know. Do you think I could just like run and jump?
Yeah,
Okay.
totally.
I saw something.
Hey, I love you.
I know. Who doesn't?
Well, I love you less now.
Again, you still love me.
In here.
What?
What is a deadhead?
It'll sound like this, and this side will be floating. You know, kind of like that. It'll be floating just on the water's edge like this, and you can't see it. It's hard to see. And you hit it with the boat, and it stabs the boat, puts a giant hole in it. It's not exploding. Ooh, wow, you see that big old bass or something?
I just saw something right there. Yeah.
What you saw?
I don't know. It looked like a jellyfish, and then it had eyes. It looked like a jellyfish with eyes.
That's my world right there. Deadhead. This is so cool. Guys, we are still at Fort Anahuac Park. This is a wildlife trail pier thing. So awesome. Came in here for free. That is a big ass tree. What?
I think those are just called lazy, like that. That's not so good. You know how bad you run some?
Hey, there's alligators up in here. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, a little poetry up there. Smaller piece of metal. I mean, if you look further out, like at another island, way out there where the wooden things are sticking up out of the water, you see white pieces of metal hanging up on them. That's the pieces of the jet going that way. Those are the houses where they were posted up at.
Yeah.
Is that it?
So we would have to paddle all the way to the end of this.
Is that something right there? Like it's curved.
Where at, on this side?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
Huh. I thought so.
But if you look way out there, look, if you look way out there towards the flame in the water, you'll see wooden.
Am I gonna be able to carry and pass the dog?
Well, it's close to you. You're the boss, not him. Well, you know there's some critters in there.
Pass the dog now.
Oh, yeah.
Keep them real short on your left side. Walk all the way to the left side. Left side. Hey, dinner, don't lose it. It's dinner. Gina. When that thing come into land, are you gonna walk all the way back there the whole time again?
Huh?
Are you walking?
No, I'm not walking back there. Oh, ew. Oh.
Athena.
What are you doing over here?
It's an alligator gar.
That is what smells so great over here.
So when the plane came in,
Yeah, when the plane came in.
it was touched and ripped off the front part of it and it just disintegrated across the water.
Ah.
Which is why they couldn't recover all of it, because there's just too many parts out there. But we can't get out there in the canoe either.
Hey,
Not
there,
without our life jackets. We have to go out.
there are alligator slides.
Yeah, right there.
Athena, did you see that? The alligator slide?
You go out here. Athena, do you want chocolate, hot chocolate with coffee, or do you want just regular hot chocolate? We'll have to boil us a big pot of water.
Okay.
Get her hot chocolate out of it, or water out of it. There's a deadhead right there, Athena. You see it just barely under the water's edge? Right in the middle. That is a deadhead. That would sink us. But we'll start boiling the water. Let her have what she wants. Get her a cup of hot chocolate. We'll make us a cup of coffee. That's floating too. That's a true deadhead that's hanging on the bottom. See that big one floating by the building over there?
Uh-uh.
On the watching tower? He's not interested.
That's really great.
What? Yeah. Titus! Titus!
You didn't hear about this.
We just climbed up that hill.
What's wrong with hear about this?
Your father made us do it.
You didn't get the line?
This is how we do
How did
it.
you not get the line?
What line?
My father will hear about this. I wanted to.
Look, it's me on history.
I had a Slytherin tattoo, and now I'm saying my father will hear about this. How do you not understand?
Okay, Drano Malfoy.
It's Draco.
Drano.
Draco.
Drano. Drano.
Draco.
Drano.
Good job.
The sunset is so pretty. We're about to get ready to make some hot chocolate and some coffee on the barbecue pit. And I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna mess with my new stuff. That's right, we got new stuff. The History Rat's got a Chromebook, a webcam, all kinds of cool stuff. So we're gonna go play with it, watch a movie. That's how we roll. That's pretty awesome. So, if you're just tuning in, we are here at Fort Anahuac Park. We're in Anahuac. Did you know that Anahuac is like the powder keg that set off the Texas Revolution? I didn't know that. Now I know. So, we were actually here a year ago on our way to our fake Easter because my grandma was dying and we needed everybody together and yada yada yada. So anyway, a year later, here we are again. And this time we're camping. And guess what? We're camping for free. What are you doing? Can you do an SOS?
One of them.
Okay.
I'm making coffee.
Tight.
Hey, hand this to the coffee cup. You need to come out here. You need to
So
hurry.
pretty.
Hand this coffee cup. You need to hurry because. Do you want me to do it?
Yes, please.
And that's gonna be your hot chocolate.
Stop.
Athena. Look how pretty. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and gay.
It appears to be a star or a sat. It's not a satellite. It's not flickering. It's gotta be a star. Look at the clouds.
Fair star, I see the night. Wish I was, I wish I might.
I wish I may. I wish I might.
Have this wish I wish tonight.
You fucking tool.
How's that hot chocolate? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, Titan. Dang, this camera picks up really good in that light. Look at that.
Don't you have night mode? Over there.
So,
Stomach.
that right there is Fred Harmon Bridge.
Correct.
That's freaking crazy. That's home way over there. Well, not home. Because, I mean, technically, my home is right there. And right there. And right there. And for tonight, it's right there.
Like a truck? I don't know.
Mark, is this? The bathroom.
Look how bright that thing is. That's that flare over there.
That's really cool.
See it?
How do you get one behind the statues?
Huh?
How do you go behind the statues?
Behind the statues.
Let me see.
Okay. Evening, gentlemen. Not quite as cool looking from here, huh?
Hmm?
Not.
It looks like the sun. It's fire. I want to try and hold it.
I want to try to hold it.
fire.
You're holding
You're
fire.
too close. Go farther back. Am I holding it?
I can't see your hand now. Oh. There you go. There you go. Good job,
still can't see
Athena.
it.
No, you can't see it. We can try tomorrow when the sun comes up.
To do.
Yeah, but if the sun's coming up, it'll be on that side. It's all about perspective. That's going to just about do it for the History of Rats this week. I'll see you next week for our Fort Travis adventure. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, you name it, we got it. And you can also support the History of Rats on Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. The links to all that will be down in the description below. Y'all have a great week. Be good to each other.